All right, what's up, y'all? We're back with another episode of Brutally Simple Cooking. Today, we're making the requested ranch dressing. All right, now to keep this brutally simple, the big question is, how do we make it brutally simple and stay true to the taste of ranch? Well, if you research all the different ranch recipes that are out there, including the mainstream brands like Hidden Valley Ranch, you'll see there's some consistencies in flavors and seasonings. And so what we're doing today is a dairy-full, not dairy-free, dairy-full ranch dressing. And what we're going to use is a little bit of avocado oil-based mayonnaise. We're going to use some good quality sour cream. We're going to use some heavy cream. And then for the seasonings, the star of the show is going to be some dill weed. All right, now, most recipes you're going to see obviously use a little bit of salt and pepper. And then some are going to have some garlic and maybe a little bit of onion. So we'll use some garlic, okay? So let's start. Now what I found in experimenting with this is that the mayonnaise can have an overpowering taste. So we'll use less of this than the other stuff. So we're going to do half a cup of sour cream, approximate. Boom. And we're going to do half a cup of heavy cream. And then we're going to do less than that of the mayonnaise. I'm going to have to guesstimate that's less, right? That's about a quarter cup. All right, so that's still going to give it some creamy, smooth texture, a little bit of the mayonnaise flavor, which is good. You just don't want it to overpower it. All right, and then we're going to add our seasonings. Now, brutally simple means we're not necessarily weighing and measuring too much. If you want to put some measurements to this, you can maybe do like a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, but you do want it to taste. And so I'm just going to guesstimate here a little bit of salt. Always adding salt. A little bit of fresh pepper. A lot of fresh pepper. And then the star of the show is going to be the dill weed. We've made this recipe a few times, and we've always said we want a little bit more dill. So I'm going to put a decent amount of this in here. I'd say about a teaspoon for the stuff that we're looking at right now. All right, and then just to be safe, you could do this without garlic, but I'm going to do a minimal amount of garlic because most recipes have it, but some don't. I'm just going to do a little bit of garlic powder. All right, and then all we're going to do, you can stir this up with a spoon, but we're actually going to use a mixer. All right, now let's taste this. Taste test this. Literally like homemade Hidden Valley Ranch dressing, and made with wholesome ingredients. It tastes absolutely amazing. All right, and there you have it. Delicious, nice and creamy. And then once it's refrigerated, it will set and get just a little bit thicker, and you can use it for all your ranch dressing needs, including dipping pizza yolk roll in it, which is a really good idea. But you can use it for salads, chicken fingers, chicken strips, steak. Actually, that's probably an insult to steak, but you know what I'm talking about. You can use it for just about anything. Now, check it out. Remember how wholesome and simple this is. All we did was research what's in typical ranch dressing recipes and try to break it down and make it brutally simple. All right, we got a little bit of mayonnaise, we got some heavy cream and some good quality sour cream, and then we got for seasoning and spices, salt and pepper, and then some dill, the star of the show. I'd say you can almost overdo the dill, but experiment, do it to taste, and then a little bit of garlic, all right? Now, pro tip, a good dressing doesn't have to be bad for you.